Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to see deleted app on iPhone. So if you want to see app you've deleted on your iPhone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open your app store. Once you open your app store, then tap on the profile icon. From there, then tap on the purchased. Once tap on the purchase, then this will now tap on the not on this iPhone. Then this will show the list of the app you've deleted on your iPhone for a very long time, even the recent deleted app or the old one. Just scroll down, then if anyone of the app that you want to install again from the old one, can just simply tap on the cloud icon. Then this will install them back to your phone, and that's how you can see the deleted app on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.